Since we are going to start a new chapter in mathematics, the name of the chapter is polynomials. Okay, now what is a polynomial? This thing is already being discussed in class 9, that any equation that contains more than one algebraic term is known as a polynomial. Any equation or any algebraic equation that contains more than one term is known as polynomial. For example, this is a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. This is a polynomial because three terms are there. Correct? I am first of all I should write like this. Ax plus b. This is a polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is a polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a polynomial. Now what is the difference between the three polynomials? This is a linear polynomial. Why linear? Because the power of x is maximum 1, so therefore linear, power is 1. Here the power is 2, so therefore it is called a quadratic polynomial. Here the power is 3, so it is known as a cubic polynomial. Then we have power 4, biquadratic, pentanonic, hexanonic, and it will go on and go on and go on. You have to consider only two types, that is the quadratic and the cubic polynomial. Correct? So as per the first exercise, the first part of the question of your chapter, you have to study the quadratic polynomial. For a quadratic polynomial, the general formula is ax square plus bx plus c. And this can be easily calculated by applying a middle term factorization. This can be applied by using middle term factorization. Anytime we apply middle term factorization, we will get two values like this. You will get x equals to something and x equals, you will get two values of here. Those two values, one is known as alpha and one is known as beta. Okay? Here the power is 2, so therefore we will get two values of x. Here the power is 3, we will get 3 values. Here the power is 1, we will get only one value. So here the power is 2, you will get two values. One will be alpha and one will be beta. Now, how can you check that the values that you have obtained are correct or not? To check whether they are correct or not, I have to apply a simple formula. What are those? The formula is such as like this. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Okay, alpha plus beta will be equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta will be equals to c by a. सर ये अल्फा प्लस बीटा अल्फा इंटू बीटा तो समझ में आ गया. ये क्या है? b by a c by a. अरे this b by a and c by a is obtained from this equation. The equation that I will be getting, the first part or the coefficient of x square is called the a. The coefficient of x is known as the b, and the single variable or single constant value is known as the c. Okay, so whether my answers are correct or not, whether my roots are correct or not, alpha beta check करने का उपाय है, I will put in this equation. Alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to c by a. This is called the verification of the coefficients with the roots. Verification of the coefficients with the roots. Correct? Now, ये तो the पहला part. This was the first part of this quadratic equation. Second part क्या है? Suppose here what was given? Here the equation was given, and you were asked to find the roots. मान लो उल्टा हो, roots are given and you are asked to find the equation. Suppose you are given that alpha equals to something and beta equal to something. That is given, alpha beta दे दिया. You are asked to find the equation out of it. तो कैसे बनाएंगे? There will be a formula for equation then. What is the formula? The formula is simple like this. alpha plus, sorry, my mistake. First I will start with x square. I will write x square minus x plus, now what shall be in the brackets? In the first bracket must be the sum of roots. Here will be product of roots. That is, therefore in shortcut I can write here x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into b. This is the formula for finding the equation in case the roots are given. And this is the verification of the roots obtained from the coefficients, ki whether my roots obtained are correct or not. Okay. Now, how to apply such kind of questions? How to apply such kind of formula in finding the solutions to the question? So, I am giving you certain examples of it. First question, find zeros of 2x square minus 11x plus 15. Verify the roots with the coefficients. This is the question. First, you have to find the zeros, means you have to find the values of alpha beta. Then, you have to verify the value of alpha beta with the coefficients. How? So, my equation was 2x square minus 11x plus 15. I will apply middle term factorization. What I will get? I will get here 2x square minus 6 plus 5x plus 15. 2x square minus 6x minus 5x plus 15. So I am getting 2x minus 5 and x minus 3. So therefore, when I take minus 5 to the other hand side, the minus will change to plus. So what I will get? I will get x is equals to plus 5 by 2 for this one. And here I will get x is equals to minus 3 ko idhar le jao. What I will get? I will get plus 3. So I have got two values. The first one is x equals to 5 by 2. Let this be alpha. मान लो इसको alpha मान लेते हैं. And let this be beta. इसको beta मान. So I have successfully calculated the two roots, but I have not still yet verified whether my roots are correct with the coefficients or not. Let us try then. We will write here verification. Okay. What were the value for verification? That the sum of the roots will be equals to minus b by a, and the product of the roots will be equals to c by a. So I am writing here alpha plus beta will be equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta will be equals to plus c by a. Am I correct? Now, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha is 5 by 2. What is beta? 3. What is b here now? So b it is given in the question. See what I told, that the value, that a coefficient of x square is known as a, coefficient of x is known as b, and the constant term is known as c. So here the coefficient of x is a, means this is the a, this is the b, and this is the c. Correct? Now substitute the values. Minus b by a, I will get minus of minus 11 by a. What is the value of a? A is 2. Say here. Now perform the LCM. I am getting 5 plus 6 by 2 equals to 11 by 2. So therefore 11 by 2 equals to 11 by 2. So I have successfully verified my first relation. It is verified. Yes, दोनों तरफ 11 by 2 आ गया. Now on this hand side, alpha into beta. What is alpha? Alpha is 5 by 2. Into what is beta? Beta is 3. What is C? C is my 15. What is A? A is 2. So 15, 5 3 is 15. So I am getting here 15 by 2 equals to 15 by 2. Sir, ये verification लीजिए. So this is how my roots are verified with the coefficients given. Okay, first you have to find the roots. किसी एक को अल्फा, किसी एक को बीटा मान लो, फिर इस तरह पूरा सॉल्व. Correct? Now next example. By 2 and 3. Minus 7 by 2 and 3. Full stop. Find the polynomial or find the equation. Or find the not equation, find the polynomial. Okay. So this is the question. Here they have given you the roots. What are the roots? The roots are minus 7 by 2 and 3. You have to find the polynomial. How you are going to find it? So, you are given alpha equals to minus 7 by 2 and beta is given 3. You are given two roots, minus 7 by 2 and beta. I have written a formula now that the polynomial equation can be calculated by the formula x square minus sum of roots x plus product of roots. This was the formula for it. So I will start substituting value in place of that. X square जैसा है x square रहने दो minus sum of roots. What are the roots? Roots are this and this. So I have to find the sum of them. I will write minus 7 by 2 plus 3x. Product of roots. What will be there? There will be minus 7 by 2 into. ठीक है? Solve it. So I have got a polynomial here, but the problem is that sir the polynomial must be in a linear manner. यहाँ तो सर रेशियो में आ गया, फ्रैक्शन में आ गया. So how can I remove the fraction? By taking the LCM out of it. The LCM क्या होगा 2. So I will get what I will get here. I will get the equation as 2x square plus 1x minus 21 whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? क्योंकि ये तो अल्टीमेटली इक्वल टू 0 है. 0 लिखते नहीं है, बट देयर विल बी इक्वल टू 0. सर ये पूरा 2 इधर चला जाएगा तो आंसर विल बी 0 अगेन. सो माय आंसर इज 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1x माइनस 21. ये 1x लिख भी सकते हैं या फिर सिर्फ लिख सकते हैं 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 21. दिस इज माय पॉलिनोमियल. करेक्ट. सो हियर द रूट्स वर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड अ पॉलिनोमियल फ्रॉम. ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है. Now, one more type of question is given, that you are given a root or you are given a polynomial and you have to modify the roots. You have to transform the roots. How? So this is the question. If alpha beta are the roots of a given equation, find a polynomial whose roots will be alpha square and beta square. So first I will write given polynomial. What is the given polynomial? 2x square plus x minus 3. Correct? I will write here, therefore alpha plus beta. What I will get alpha plus beta? According to this equation, this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So I will get alpha plus beta equals to minus B by A, that is equals to minus 1 by 2. And alpha into beta I will get as minus 3 by 2. So this is my alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now I will write here new roots. What are the new roots? New roots are alpha square comma beta square. सही है? Now therefore new sum of roots. New sum क्या होगा? Alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula of a square plus b square? It is a plus b minus 2ab. So I can write, instead of alpha square, I can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This I can write. Now how to put the values out of it? What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta ka value I have already got minus 1 by 2. Here minus 3 by 2. Correct? Solve karo. I will be getting here 1 by 4 plus 3. That is equals to 13 by 4. So this is the new sum of roots. New sum. Then I have to find therefore new product of roots. Why is a new product? Because to find a polynomial I have to find the sum of roots and product of roots. तो न्यू सम निकल गया, अब न्यू प्रोडक्ट निकालो. व्हाट इज द न्यू प्रोडक्ट? अल्फा स्क्वायर इनटू बीटा स्क्वायर. दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू अल्फा इनटू बीटा का होल स्क्वायर. करेक्ट? तो अल्फा इनटू बीटा वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट. व्हाट इज माइनस 3 by 2? दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू माइनस 3 by 2 का होल स्क्वायर. दैट इज 9 by 4. So I have got the new sum of roots. I have got the new product of roots. Now what is my polynomial? My polynomial is x square minus sum of roots by x into x plus product of roots. सही है? Now come on, substitute the values. I am getting x square. What is the sum of roots? The new sum of roots is 13 by 4 x plus what is the new product of roots? It is 9 by 4. मिल गया. So again I will take the LCM. क्या मिलेगा? I will get the final answer as 4x square plus, sorry not plus, minus, because here negative is there, है ना, minus 13x plus 9. 4x square minus 13x plus 9. है ना? So my given equation was 2x square plus x minus 3. But I had to find a polynomial whose roots will be alpha square and beta square. So I have easily converted my given polynomial. First alpha plus beta और alpha into beta निकालिए और उसके मदद से हम alpha square beta square alpha cube beta cube 1 by alpha 1 by beta 1 by alpha square 1 by beta square जैसा क्वेश्चन हो वैसा हम बना सकते हैं. Correct. So this was all about your quadratic polynomial. Now we are moving on to cubic polynomial. What is a cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial is a polynomial whose degree of the polynomial or the maximum power of a variable will be 3. So how to write that? A x cube plus b x plus c x plus d means the coefficient of x cube will be termed as a. The coefficient of x square must be here. The coefficient of x square will be termed as b. The coefficient of x will be c, and the constant term will be termed as d. So here also I will get three roots. The first one will be alpha, the second one will be beta, and third one will be gamma. Okay, so how to find the roots of this? बोले सर इसका रूट्स नहीं निकाल सकते क्योंकि मिडिल टर्म होता है फॉर ए क्वाड्रेटिक, इसका रूट नहीं होता. सो यू विल बी गिवन ऑलरेडी अल्फा बीटा गामा तुमको दिया हुआ रहेगा. तुमको सिर्फ वेरीफाई करना है कि अल्फा बीटा गामा जो रूट्स है वो क्या इस कोएफिशिएंट से मैच करता है या नहीं. हाउ? I have solved that formula. The relation. What was the relation? The first relation. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equals to minus b by a. The first thing. These are the relations. Okay. The first relation alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a. Second relation. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma equals to plus c by a, and alpha into beta into gamma will be equals to minus d by a. I am repeating once again. इस तीनों का वैल्यू निकालने का जरूरत नहीं है. You will be given the values of alpha beta gamma. They will given the in the question only will given कि suppose a polynomial is this having the roots as this and this. Verify if the roots are correct or not. Then you have to only verify the roots. You don't have to find the value of roots. जैसे क्वाड्रेटिक में हमको पहले रूट्स निकालना पड़ा था by using middle term. यहाँ लेकिन ऐसा कोई middle term बोल के कोई प्रोसेस नहीं होगा. And the second part, if the roots are given, how to find the polynomial? If alpha, beta, gamma are given, they are given. Therefore, the polynomial will be x cube minus x square plus x minus. Now what to put in these brackets? The first one will be sum of roots. The second one will be sum of products. And the third one will be product of roots. So in short, we can write like this: x cube minus sum of roots. The sum will be alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus sum of products. This is called the sum of products. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma x minus product of roots alpha into beta into gamma. So this is how we can form the polynomial if the roots are given. And here we can verify the roots for a given polynomial. But this kind of question are seldom given. They don't give such kind of questions. What type of question do they give from this? That you will be given a cubic or a biquadratic equation. Biquadratic means इसका 4 पावर होता है, डिग्री 4. Either डिग्री 3 देगा या फिर डिग्री 4 देगा. And then you will be asked to find the roots of it. तुमको रूट्स निकालना बोलेगा. एक आध रूट्स दे देगा and then you will ask to find the other roots. Other roots निकाल के दिखाइए. कैसे? Let me tell you by an example. So the question goes like this. If x equals to minus 2 is a root of x cube plus 2x square minus 11x minus 12. Find the other roots. This is my question. This type of question is given. ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं देता एग्जाम में, ऐसा क्वेश्चन ज्यादा देता है. तो क्या दिया हुआ है सर, x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2. एक रूट दिया हुआ है कि x का वैल्यू माइनस 2 है. वन ऑफ द वैल्यू माइनस 2 ये हमको मालूम है. x इक्वल्स टू माइनस 2 इज गिवन. इज अ रूट, इज वन ऑफ द रूट ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन. नाउ ये पॉलिनोमियल तो क्यूबिक है बिकॉज x क्यूब इज गिवन. तो क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल विल हैव 3 रूट्स. यहां सिर्फ एक रूट दिया हुआ है. सो फाइंड द अदर रूट. तुमको 2 रूट या 2 जीरोस और निकालने हैं. कैसे? यू विल टेक लाइक दिस. गिवन x equals to minus 2. If it is a root, if it is a 0, you have to convert it into equals to 0. So therefore equals to 0 कैसे करेंगे? By shifting this value from इधर to इधर. इसको इधर ले आएंगे. So I will get like this. x plus 2 equals to 0. x plus 2 equal to 0. हमको एक तरफ 0 आ गया. So therefore x plus 2 is a factor. Factor means x plus 2 can divide that polynomial. Factor মানে কি? যেটা ডিভাইড করে, যেটা দিয়ে কাটে. তো x plus 2 ওই polynomial কে ডিভাইড করতে পারে. চলো ডিভাইড করে শুরু করি. How I will divide? I will divide this x plus 2 by x cube plus 2x square minus 11x minus 12. है ना? So this is my equation. So x must be converted to x cube. की करे x square they multiply. So I am getting here x cube. 2 into x square I am getting here. Strange. The equation तो पहले ही आ गया. So have I done some mistake around? Oh yes, I have made a mistake. Here x equals to minus 2. This will be x cube minus 1 it is given. In the equation was minus 1. I copied the equation incorrectly. X plus 1. So divide करते हैं. 1x square. Now change the sign. Here will be negative. Here will be negative. तो ये तो कट गया. What I will get here? I will get here 1x square minus 11x minus 12. Now x must be converted to x square. किसे इंटू करेंगे? Plus x. I will get here x square plus 1x. है ना? Change the sign. Minus minus. ये तो कट गया. I will get here minus 12x minus 12. Here I will write minus 12. So minus 12x minus 12. Plus plus दोनों कट गए. So I have got this as my answer. So what are the zeros that I have obtained? I have obtained already a 0, that is x plus 1. X plus 1 was already a 0. And then I have got this one. X square plus x minus 12. Now x plus 1 तो अपने जगह रहेगा. X plus 1 cannot be undone. ये तो रहेगा because it was already given. हम इसका मिडिल टर्म करेंगे. क्या मिलेगा? I will get x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. That is x plus 1, x plus 4 and x minus 3. So 3 factors are already given. So ये तो पहले से दिया हुआ था कि x plus 1. तो इसको अगर हम उधर ले जाएं equals to को उधर, तो what I will get? Plus 1 will be converted to minus 1. So there I will get x equals to minus 1. Here I will get x equals to minus 4. Here I will get x equals to plus 3. So 3 roots are given and 3 roots are of this quadratic polynomial. Correct? लेकिन sorry cubic polynomial. लेकिन suppose 4 roots are given. A biquadratic equation is given. Then how to solve? Given if 2 comma minus 2 are the roots of x4 plus x cube minus 34x square minus 4x plus 120. Find the other roots. Here 2 roots are given. What are those? একবার দিয়েছে x ইকুয়ালস টু 2, একবার দিয়েছে x ইকুয়ালস টু -2। সো देयरफॉर 2 কে দিকে নিয়ে এসো, কি পাবো x - 2 ইকুয়াল টু 0, এখানে পাবো x + 2 ইকুয়াল টু 0। স্যার এখানে দুটো রুট দিয়েছে, কিন্তু দুবার ডিভাইড করতে হবে? নো, ইট উইল টেক আ লট অফ টাইম। সো কি করব, আই উইল রাইট হিয়ার, সো combining the roots, we will combine both roots by multiplying the roots. What are those? You will multiply x - 2 into x + 2. The answer is x² - 4. So you have got the product. Now you will divide the given product with the polynomial like this. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट डिवाइडिंग। क्या मिलेगा, so totally solved. So I am getting x² - 4 and x² plus x minus 30. Okay, this can be already broken because I know x² - 4 कहां से आया, x² - 4 आया इन दोनों को मिला के, तो this x² - 4 can be broken as x plus 2 and x minus 2. Similarly, I can break this by middle term. I will get what? I will get x plus 6 and x minus 5. So 4 roots are given, 4 root मिल गया। इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Here I will get x equals to -2. Here I will get x equals to +2. Here I will get x equals to -6. Here I will get x equals to +5. So the 4 roots are can be calculated of a biquadratic polynomial. So this is how you have to apply the roots to find the other roots of a cubic polynomial or of a biquadratic polynomial. Correct. Let me give you the final example. Then I shall wrap up this chapter. The question is like this. If 3 plus √2 comma 3 minus √2 are zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 11x cube plus 7x square plus 13x minus 7. Find other roots. So this is my question. How to solve it? The same process. The roots are given as x equals to 3 plus √2 and x equals to 3 minus √2. So I will get here x minus 3 minus √2 equals to 0, x minus 3 plus √2 equal to 0. দুটো পেয়ে গেলাম। So therefore combining the factors or combining the roots, what I am getting? I am getting as x minus 3 minus √2 and x minus 3 plus √2. क्या होगा? I will be getting x minus 3 का whole square minus √2 का whole square. That is x square minus 6x plus 7. So this is the product that I have obtained. Now I have to use this product to divide it with the given polynomial. Okay, so x square to 2x4 multiplying with 2x square. I am getting 2x to the power 4 minus 12x cube plus 14x square. So all are cut. So what are my factors? My factors are x square minus 6x plus 7 and the factor is 2x square plus x minus 1. सही है ना? So ये कहां से आया था? This was obtained by multiplying these two. ये दोनों multiply करके. So I will write this as x minus 3 minus root 2 x minus 3 plus root 2 और इसको मिलटर्म करके कितना आएगा 2x plus 1 sorry 2x minus 1 and x plus 1. Okay, so I have got all the four roots, all the factors. I can find the four roots here. So this is how you have to solve the polynomial, and this kind of question is more or less given in the examination. This means you will be given one or two roots and you have to find the other remaining roots. So this is all about polynomials. Thank you.